be honest, when I was thinking of recording this video, I'm like, I'm going to start with saying a lot of you guys have asked me about my skincare routine, but it's a lie. Hey, hello everybody. Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Olamide and I'm happy to be here. I hope you are. If you're a new subscriber, sorry, I just finished eating this pie. So if you're a new subscriber, a returning subscriber, thank you for joining and for tuning in. Please, if you've not subscribed and you're watching right now, please hit the subscribe button. I really hope you enjoy this video. In today's video, to be honest, when I was thinking of recording this video, I'm like, I'm going to start with saying a lot of you guys have asked me about my skincare routine, but it's a lie. Nobody asked me anything. I just thought to share my skincare routine, and that's because I currently added like new products to my skincare routine. I was like noticing some hyperpigmentation on my skin, and I just thought it would be cool to share what I'm using. And I can actually see how there's nothing on my lips again. I can actually see like the difference. If I'm looking this way, I'm looking at my mirror in the bathroom, so I can actually see the difference right now on my skin, and I'm like, okay, this might actually help 1 or 2 persons out there in case you're looking for something that can help you. For example, around here was darker than this. I don't even know what happened, but it was really dark. It's still dark, but I mean, it's on the way to getting lighter, and I just started the skincare about a week ago. So anywho, let's get started. I'm going to start by, okay, I'm just going to show you guys what I'm using and let you know the process. So for example, I'm going to start by scrubbing my face. This is Neutrogena. I'm sorry, it's not a sponsored ad. I mean, we're not there yet. I'm just sharing. So please, if it doesn't work for you, anything happens, disclaimer, mine is not there. I'm just sharing what I use and what is currently working for me. Do you understand? So yeah, that's about it. I'm using this Neutrogena Rapid Clear Foaming Scrub, and it has beads, and it's really like very subtle on the face. It leaves my face feeling moisturized after, even though it is a scrub. Do you get it? One thing, I'm going to like pat my face with some water so that it just helps me spread the scrub evenly. And another thing that I used to do, let me just confess right now, because of how like not so coarse the beads are, and sometimes I try to add sugar. I don't know if it's a good thing. Sorry about that. I don't know if it's a good thing. This is it, by the way. I don't know if it's a good thing or it's a bad thing, but it does, so that at least I will feel like something is scrubbing. But I'm just going to use it like this today, and yeah. So I've washed my hands, and I'm just going to, let me just move this up a bit. Gently massage into my skin. So I'm just going to go ahead to, I'm going to leave for about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, and come back. Okay, so when I come back, my face is going to be all watery. My face is going to be wet because I've washed it off. Okay, so yeah, so I'm back, and yeah, I don't know if you can see how like supple like or baby skin like my face feels right, looks like right now. Anyway, I have this towel, my face towel, and I'm just going to use to dab it up my face before we move to the next thing. Okay, it's actually quite important to have like a separate face towel aside your body towel. I know growing up, me inclusive, I used to, I mean, you just carry your towel and do everything, but I just think it's wise, and I learned it from someone I think it's wise to have a separate face oil, separate oil for your face other than that for your body. Now the next thing that I'm going to introduce to you guys is this La Roche-Posay. Before I say La Poche-Rosé, because you know Poche-Rosé, do you understand? But it's actually La Roche, or La Roche, I don't even know, La Roche-Posay. It's actually French. So it's a purifying foaming gel for oily sensitive skin, and this, I actually love how my face feels after. Like totally love it. Where is this accent coming up from? Anyway, I totally love it. So I'm just going to put a little, can you see? And this is actually enough. Yeah, and I got this products off Amazon. Yeah, I just read the recommendations and I googled and I saw this, and I had seen someone else use it before. I think it was Dima, but I don't think it was this foaming gel. I think it was one of their other products. So I kind of took a mental note of it. When I said, I'm like, yeah, I'm going to try this, and the reviews I saw on Amazon were quite good. So why not? Anyway, I'm going to use this now on my skin. God, it's so soft. It's so soft. So I'm done washing, and to be honest, this is the last wash. I'm not washing again. I'm just going to dab my skin until it's very dry. Okay, so yeah, to be honest, my skin feels really soft. I don't know, really tender and very supple. Feels very ready to receive anything that I lay on it. So the next thing I'm going to be using right now is the Clean and Clear toner. So this is the Clean and Clear I'm talking about, and I'm going to be using this cotton pad to clean my face. I know you'll probably be wondering that, or you'll probably be asking yourself if I do this every day. I actually try to do it every day. Nothing less than 5 times a day, a week. Nothing less than 5 times a week. So I'm just going to use that now to clean my skin. I don't know if you can see the dirt, but that's it. Yes, my skin isn't so dirty, and maybe it's because I already scrubbed, and I actually try to clean my face every day. But even at that, it's still dirty. You still see some elements. You still see some elements of dirt on your skin. So anyway, that's about it. So the next thing I'm going to be using right now is my Snail Cream. Guys, this, let me just bring it. So this is what it looks like. It's an Advanced Snail 92 all-in-one cream, and the feel after I've applied it, I know that some of you might not like it because it's a bit slimy. I don't know if you can see, it's a bit slimy, but I love how highly moisturizing this makes my face feel. To be honest, if there was the body cream, I would definitely get it. So this is it. I'm just going to take some. You have to be careful because it can get really messy, like it's already getting here because it's really slimy. Anyway, that's about it. So I have this, and that's what I'm going to be using. So I have this, and I'm just going to rub that on my skin. We're almost done, guys, and this actually feels long because I'm recording. If I'm the only one, it definitely doesn't feel this long. And don't forget your neck so that you're not going over and down with a bright face and a dark neck. Okay, I don't know if you can tell the difference, but this is highly moisturizing. I love it, and I highly recommend. It might be a bit pricey, but it's a good it gives you good value for money. Okay. The next thing I'm going to be using right now is my vitamin C cream. It's a Glow Protect vitamin C, and it's from Body Shop, right? I love the smell of this. It's really good, and I love how it makes my skin feel. I mean, I love how everything makes my skin feel. Actually, that's why I'm using them, and not recommending. No, I've told you for disclaimer. Anything, well, it's not me. Anywho, I'm just gonna use this, and we just take a look at the mirror. I don't know if you can see. Okay. Another thing, this is the moisture. It's a sunscreen. You guys, if you're trying to fight hyperpigmentation and all these uneven spots, do not neglect the power of sunscreen. Like, don't. I like this Neutrogena Visibly Even. It's really cool. I got it when I was coming to the UK last year. Yeah, so this is just enough. We're almost done, guys. We're almost done. That's it. Once my skin is feeling all fresh, all supple, all, you know, ready now. One last thing. Actually, not one last thing. I forgot this niacinamide, and I think I forgot because I used it yesterday. I'm supposed to be using niacinamide every day. I don't know. I just, because it can make my skin feel quite dry, I try to not use it every time. But what it does is that it helps reduce the visibility of pores. I don't know if you can see. You can't. Anyway. So I have like open pores, and I use this, and to be honest, since I started using it and now it has, I've seen like the effect of it on my skin, but I'm not going to be using that now. Ideally, I'm supposed to use it just after I use my toner. So this is the last one I'm going to be using, and this is it's also Neutrogena. I kind of love Neutrogena products. It's their Hydro Boost. It's an eye gel cream, and it has hyaluronic acid to keep under my skin really moisturized. So yeah, I'm using the back of my palm this time. This is it. Pardon me if I'm not looking at you. I'm using this as my mirror. Maybe I should just use my mirror. So the last thing is not going on my face, it's going on my lip, and this is like the Vaseline lip therapy balm that I ensure that I use to ensure that my lips doesn't stay chapped. Yeah. So you guys already know that I love lip balm. Okay, let's see. I don't think that I'm short, but anyway, I'm done. So that is what my skincare routine is like. Yes, there are times that I actually, use other products. For example, I have like the night mask and some other products for night, but this is not a night skincare routine. Maybe I'll do another separate video. But I've come to the end of this video. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.